Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we talk about simple delicious breakfast ideas. As always, we use the most affordable and available ingredients in your kitchen. And today all we need is just a potato, an onion, a carrot and 2 eggs to get this delicious mouth-watering simple breakfast within 5 minutes. But before we get started, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share my content and watch more videos. As earlier mentioned, these are our simple ingredients. We have onions, garlic, carrot, potato, eggs. We begin by peeling the potato and the carrot. We wash and slice the potato into small pieces. We grate the carrots. Oil the pan using butter and arrange the potato slices. Place the pan on fire and cook for 5 minutes under low heat.
5 minutes later.
Turn the potato slices onto the other side to cook. Beat the 2 eggs in a container and whisk them to get an even consistency. Add salt, ginger, garlic, and the chopped onions. Add the grated carrots into the mixture and mix them evenly. Pour the mixture into the potato slices in the cooking pan. Make sure that the potatoes are almost well cooked. Distribute all the ingredients evenly to make sure that some are not hit at certain areas while others have less. Also keep checking as the bottom part turns to golden brown. The bottom part has already cooked, as you can see. Wow, look at that. It's time to turn onto the other side to let it also cook for like 2 minutes. As you can see right now, both sides are already cooked and we have our delicious breakfast ready. Wow, it looks so delicious. Looks so beautiful. I can't wait to have a taste of it. And here we are, guys. I hope your cup of tea is ready for this delicious breakfast of the day. Look at how gorgeous this one looks. I can't imagine we only used potatoes and eggs. It looks so unbelievable, guys. It tastes even as sweet and delicious as it looks. Look at that, everything is intact. So guys, thanks for watching my video. If you liked, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, subscribe, and watch other videos for simple recipes.